Hello everyone, Alexander here from Freedom Pass, and in this video I'll show you how to use a tool called Magnet to find keywords for products to sell on Amazon, or to further increase other keywords that you may be missing out on. Magnet is a keyword research tool that helps you find many different keywords related to a product or keyword. For today's video, I'm going to continue the products I found in my last video, how to use Cerebro on Helium 10. If you haven't watched that video, be sure to check it out, as I've provided valuable in-depth information prior to this video, as using Helium 10 can be confusing. So I have created a playlist just for you where you can follow the correct steps. So if I were to sell flower girl baskets for weddings, it can give you a list of keywords to use. To use Magnet fully, you will need to upgrade to the Platinum version. If you look at the keyword research section, you'll see the starter version has limited access. This means that when you use Magnet tool, you won't be able to use all of its features. If you need to create a new account or upgrade, I'll leave a link in the description below. If you use the link below to gain access to the powerful Amazon tools and software, which are essential for streamlining and navigating your way through your Amazon FBA journey. As we've partnered with Helium 10, they have given us a special discount link for our students, 10% off for life, or 20% off for your first 6 months. Then you can sign up and follow along. Now, let's move on to find what we need. We need to search for the keyword around weddings in Helium 10 Magnet tool. We already know that flower girl baskets for weddings is a long tail keyword from our previous video. We can simply enter either keywords into Magnet and do individual searches for each keyword. But for today's video, I'll just go with weddings. Although this can seem a bit broad and will result in many different keywords, I like to think outside the box when it comes to keyword research. Doing a broad research can help identify new keywords or even future products around your niche. I haven't filtered anything for this search, as I want a very broad outlook on what's showing up. Once it's loaded the keywords, I've then clicked search volume. This will then put the amount of search volume from highest to lowest. I like to do this as it quickly organises the list, and I know I'm looking at high demand per month per keyword. So scrolling down, there are some that are completely irrelevant. However, I found a keyword here called bridal shower gifts. This is thinking a little outside the box here, as in some cases, when couples are getting married, the woman usually has a bridal shower where gifts are exchanged before their wedding. Some couples that get married also have children, and they'll be a part of the wedding. This could be a keyword to add to your title, so over time you'll rank for it. Or you could try pay per click, which is advertising on Amazon for the specific keyword, and see over time how it performs, as this could be a good product to fulfill for customers, as this product could be an amazing gift for the bride. Again, after further searching the pages, I've come across another similar keyword called bride-to-be gifts. The same thought and method here applies. As you can see, the first keyword, bridal shower gifts, has a search volume of 51,088, and the other keyword, bride-to-be gifts, has a total search volume of 7,064 per month. Just these two factors can bring in more sales and visibility for your business. These keywords can be added to your title, bullet points, and description by using another valuable tool called Scribbles by Helium 10. So by using Magnet, you're gaining more keywords and search volume to your product to maximise your sales and your product's visibility. This is why it's important, even when you find keywords from Magnet, to always do a monthly check again, just in case new search terms ever do show up. This way you're never missing out on new keywords, sales or trends. If you want to check and see how I combine Cerebro, Magnet and Scribbles to make the perfect SEO optimised listing for an Amazon product, be sure to stick around to the end of this video, and I'll leave that video for you to watch next. So guys, Amazon FBA allows you not to have any physical stock on hand, which enables you to create a very different type of lifestyle for yourself, as all the work can be done with a laptop and an internet connection, meaning you can work from anywhere in the world. This is why we are called Freedom Pass. I was just like you, working a job in order to pay my bills, which was not fulfilling for me and was taking up the majority of my time and keeping me stuck in one location. But once I discovered the power of Amazon FBA, my whole life changed. Amazon FBA truly is your path to freedom, and our mission here at Freedom Pass is to help as many people as possible become their own boss and live life by their own rules. If this sounds like something you would be interested in, We would love to have you join us on our journey and become a member of our Freedom Pass family. We have created a full step-by-step course that teaches you everything you need to know to become our next success story. Even if you've never sold on Amazon before, head over to myfreedompass.com/Amazon FBA to check it out, and we look forward to bringing you into our Freedom Pass family. Helium 10 is the most powerful software you will come across as an Amazon seller. It is essential to utilise the tools within this software to become a successful Amazon seller. This tool enables you to fly ahead of your competition, and here at Freedom Pass, we highly recommend the use of Helium 10, as we have personally built multiple successful Amazon businesses by using it. Without Helium 10, you are pretty much shooting in the dark and hoping for the best. But this software allows you to unlock the ability to outsmart your competition by being able to see exactly where the sales are coming from, so you know what is working for them and also know what opportunities they are clearly missing out on. As for example, if there is demand for a certain aspect of a product which you can see based off what customers are looking for, but this product has this missing, then this is a clear window that has been missed that you would never have known about, and that is the power of Helium 10. There are many other useful tools within the software as well, which enables you to do everything that you need to do, such as creating a product listing, keywording your products correctly, analysing competitor reviews to see what mistakes they have made. So if you are interested in giving Helium 10 a try, I have included a link in the description below and pinned it to the comments section. We aim to help as many people as possible here at Freedom Pass, so we want to provide you with the opportunity to unlock the power of Helium 10 at a discounted rate to help you get started on your Amazon journey. Or even if you are already an experienced Amazon seller, there is still extreme value to be found within this software. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. You can also comment any videos you'd like me or the Freedom Pass team to talk about, whether it's Helium 10 or Amazon FBA related. Thank you for all your support and time for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.